Hey guys, this is how to get Revolut Junior Card. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. So first thing that you will do is simply open the Revolut app onto your device. And after that, once you are on the application, just simply tap on the icon that has four boxes at the bottom of the screen to access the Revolut app hub. And after that, guys, just simply tap the search icon at the top and type in Junior in the search box. And from there, guys, you should be able to see some result. So just simply select it from the product section. And after that, guys, just simply tap on start. And if a pop-up appears, close it and tap start again. If you are prompted to upgrade, just simply choose not now. And after that, guys, just fill in the details and provide the necessary information and just simply complete all the details for your child. And once you are done, you will receive a Revolut Junior debit card. And that's simply about it. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!